Good morning. Hope you are all fine by sitting your home without any, what you can say, problem going to school and what you can say participating in other, what you can say, different activities in the school. Nothing. Only sitting in the home and doing the homework. Okay, today we are here to know about the particular game of the kabaddi. Particular game, particular game of the kabaddi. Page number 15, second paragraph. In kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a midline. The game is usually played in two halves with a half-time break in between. After the break, the teams exchange their sides in the court. It is very important about the game. It is a very important about the game, and it is a primary rules and regulations. It is a primary rules and regulations. Means, for example, imagine this is the playground of the kabaddi, and this in kabaddi two teams of 7 members. It means here 9A, here 9B. At the same time, only two teams can be played, and in each team, how many players? There are 7 players. 7 players. 7 players. And this whole rectangular playground is divided by midline. Divided by midline. Midline means this line is divided. Midline means between the line, this midline is divided the two teams. One is 9A, another is 9B. The game is usually played into two halves with the half break in between two halves. After the break, the teams exchange there in the court. Means the time is two halves. House means what? Plural of half. Plural of half. Half time. One half time. First half time. Second half time. It means, for example, suppose the game is going to play by for 1 hour. Means in 1 hour the game should be finished. For example, in 1 hour, what you can say, the 1 hour the game should be played, the game should be finished. So that 1 hour divided into two halves. 1 hour is divided into two halves, means 30 minutes and 30 minutes. First half time and second half time. Suppose, for example, first 30 minutes completed. 9A standing here, what you can say, in west side, and 9B standing in the east side. Suppose first half is completed. First half 30 minutes of completed. That time 9B should be exchanged her placement and 9A to exchange their placement. They have to change the ground after the first half time. These are the rules. These are the rules of the games. To play the game, each team sends raiders across the midline to the other team. How here? For example, these are touch lines. First touch line in first ground, half midline, and here second midline of the second ground. Here, suppose rule is there, means the first team to play the game, each team has to send one raider to another team, it means opponent team. The raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side. For example, 9th B sends a raider into the 9th A court. Means the raider is entered into the court of the 9th A. That time the raider has to tag. Tag means what? To touch. The raider has to touch. The raider has to tag the players of the opponent team, and he has to successfully come back to his own court. Then he will get points. Then he will get points. All in one breath. All in one breath. It is very important to know. All in one breath means the raider should chant. The raider should chant kabaddi, 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 kabaddi without taking of the breath, in one breath only. To show that he hasn't inhaled, he should not inhale. He should not inhale any again in one, or you can say breath. He has to chant. He has to chant kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. If he has to chant kabaddi, kabaddi all the time, if he has to inhale again. Suppose the raider inhale himself, that time he will be declared out. And has to inhale again. If the raider manages to go back successfully, all the persons he has tagged on and all those who have touched him are declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus point. Lona, the team with the maximum points win the match. Suppose raiders entered into the opponent court, and suppose he tagged 2 players and came back successfully to his own court. That time 9th B will take 2 points because the raider has been tagged 2 players of the 9th A. For example, the raiders, the 9th B team has tagged all the team of the 9th A. That time 9th B will take a Lona point, means a bonus point of 3 bonus point of 3 bonus point they will get when they will out. They will touch tag to all the team of the 9th A. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now we can take the homework. Very first question, that you have to write about rules and regulations of the kabaddi match. Write the question, write the rules and the primary rules and regulation of the game kabaddi, of the kabaddi game. Have a nice time. Thank you.